Listen to me. What if fragrance is more than what we smell? Luca Turin's fascinating vibration theory suggests that molecules may interact with our sense of smell through their vibrational patterns. Think of it as molecular music. Every molecule has its own vibration, a vibration of its own frequency, almost like an individual musical note. And when those notes come together, something happens. We don't simply smell a fragrance, we feel it. A memory, an emotion, a sensation we can't always explain. Perhaps perfume is, in a way, music without sound, a composition written in molecules and played on the skin.